Have you ever stared at your Questrade portfolio, watching the numbers plummet during a market crash, and felt that chilling grip of panic? The headlines scream doom, your hard-earned investments seem to vanish before your eyes, and a single question hammers in your mind: how do markets recover from a crash, and what can I do about it on Questrade? It's a question every investor, from seasoned pros to absolute beginners, has faced at some point. And it's a completely valid one. Market crashes are a jarring reality of investing. They test our resolve, our understanding, and often, our patience. But here's the crucial insight: crashes are not permanent. History, a steadfast teacher, shows us that markets, time and again, not only recover but go on to reach new highs. The key isn't to avoid them, that's impossible, but to understand how they recover and how you can position yourself for that eventual rebound, especially when you're navigating the markets with a platform like Questrade. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of market recovery and Questrade's role, let's set the stage. A market crash, often characterized by a sharp and significant decline in stock prices, can be triggered by various factors: economic downturns, geopolitical events, or even widespread investor panic. Think back to the dot-com bubble burst, the 2008 financial crisis, or even the rapid, COVID-induced dip in early 2020. These events sent shockwaves through the financial world, leading to substantial losses for many. The emotional toll of a crash is immense. Seeing your portfolio value cut in half, or more, can lead to impulsive decisions like panic selling, which often locks in losses and prevents you from participating in the subsequent recovery. This is why understanding the recovery process is not just about financial knowledge, but also about building the mental fortitude to weather the storm. So, how exactly do markets recover? It's not a single event, but a complex interplay of factors, often unfolding in stages. 1. The bottoming out and stabilization phase. After a sharp decline, the market typically enters a period of stabilization. The initial shock subsides, and extreme selling pressure lessens. This phase might involve periods of high volatility, with false rallies and renewed drops as investors try to find a footing. News flows remain crucial, and any positive developments, no matter how small, can start to instill a tiny bit of confidence. 2. The early recovery, the new normal begins. Once the market finds a bottom, however temporary, we start to see the early signs of recovery. This is often characterized by a gradual, sometimes uneven, upward trend. This phase isn't usually marked by explosive growth, but rather a slow grind upwards as investor sentiment cautiously improves. Companies that were oversold during the crash might start to attract buyers who recognize their underlying value. Economic data, even if still weak, might show signs of improvement, indicating that the worst might be over. Government and central bank interventions, like interest rate cuts or quantitative easing, also play a significant role here, providing liquidity and support to the financial system. 3. The sustained recovery and growth. As the economy truly begins to mend, the market recovery gathers steam. Corporate earnings improve, consumer confidence rises, and unemployment figures start to decline. This is when the market truly reflects a return to growth. It's not uncommon for markets to reach new all-time highs during this phase, often surprising those who sold out during the downturn. This phase can last for several years, driven by innovation, productivity gains, and a general sense of optimism. What to expect on Questrade during a crash and recovery? Now, let's bring this all back to Questrade. As a self-directed investing platform, Questrade empowers you with the tools and control to navigate these market cycles. When a crash hits, your Questrade portfolio will reflect the decline in value of your holdings. You will see those red numbers, perhaps a substantial drop from your peak. This is where your preparedness and understanding become paramount. Questrade's platform provides you with real-time market data, allowing you to track the movements of your investments. You'll have access to charting tools that can show you the historical performance of your holdings, allowing you to put the current downturn into perspective. Their news feeds and research tools, including integrations with services like TipRanks and Seeking Alpha, can help you stay informed about market developments and analyst opinions, which is crucial for making informed decisions during volatile times. The historical perspective: why recovery is inevitable. Perhaps the most comforting aspect of market crashes is their historical precedent. Every major market downturn in history has been followed by a recovery, and often, new all-time highs. This isn't just a hopeful statement, it's backed by decades of data. The human drive for innovation, economic growth, and problem-solving ultimately propels markets forward. Businesses adapt, new industries emerge, and economies expand. While the timing and duration of recoveries can vary, some are swift, others take years, the trajectory has consistently been upwards over the long term. Think of it like this: a market crash is like a forest fire. It's destructive in the short term, but it clears out old growth, allowing new, stronger trees to emerge. Similarly, crashes can weed out inefficient businesses, foster innovation, and create a healthier foundation for future growth. Questrade, as your investment partner, provides the platform and the tools to participate in this inherent long-term growth. Whether it's through their intuitive trading platforms, comprehensive research tools, or access to various investment products, they equip you to implement the strategies that will see your portfolio not just recover, but thrive in the long run. Ultimately, navigating a market crash on Questrade, or any platform, comes down to discipline, a long-term perspective, and a fundamental belief in the resilience of the global economy. Don't let short-term fear dictate your long-term financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.